With Father's Day quickly approaching, many of us are wondering what to get those dads or father figures in our life. I've come up with a dozen different things, all under $100, that you could get for that special man in your life. And stick around to the very end, because number one is a deal that you really can't pass up if it's something your dad needs. Let's start off with this GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker. This features patented spring action shocks for a smooth rock, even on uneven campsite terrain. It has a sturdy steel frame, built-in cup holder, and folds flat for easy storage. Now while Dad's enjoying that new rocker, how about we get him a nice drink? This Rtic 24-ounce Camouflage tumbler with a handle is fantastic. It features double-wall vacuum insulation to keep those drinks cold for hours. The build quality and temper retention compete with their premium brands at a fraction of the cost. Number 3 on our list. While he's enjoying his drink and hanging out in his new chair, let this fella listen to his favorite tunes. The Altec Lansing HydroJoke 2.0 Bluetooth speaker is built ruggedly for the outdoor life. It is waterproof and floats in the water while delivering a loud and crisp sound from a compact size. You can't go wrong with a dad-themed t-shirt. Classic apparel choice for any dad. They come with clever sayings or camping designs. There's even some for granddads. Now we want Dad to stay cool, so let's get him the O2 Cool Deluxe necklace fan. A hands-free portable fan that hangs around the neck and provides a direct vertical airflow up toward the face. It's lightweight, battery-operated, and perfect for humid weather. For our RVing dads, a Camco water pressure regulator. This regulator screws directly onto the campground spigot and protects the RV's internal plumbing lines by keeping water pressure at a safe, consistent level. One of the hottest items of 2025 was the Rhino drain lock. It securely locks a sewer hose directly into a campground sewer inlet and prevents accidental disconnects and adapts to fit virtually any standard sewer hose. Storage ideas: metal ammo cans, heavy duty, rugged storage boxes featuring a rubber gasket seal that makes them completely airtight and weatherproof. Perfect for organizing tools, spare RV parts, or even electrical gear. Dads love cooking outside. Brands like Ozark Trail offer budget skillets. This pre-seasoned American-made Lodge 12-inch skillet is our choice due to the unmatched heat retention that many people say that it has. Blackstone and BBQ Accessories. Heavy-duty stainless steel spatulas, squeeze bottoms, burger mashers, and scrapers from Blackstone and other top-name brands make camp cooking highly efficient. Number 11 on my list is near and dear to my heart. Every dad needs a subscription to Campsite Cruising, a zero-cost gift on YouTube that delivers fresh camping tips, gear reviews, and travel inspiration. It's the gift that keeps on giving, so hit that subscribe button for Dad right now. And our number one Father's Day gift under $100 is the 17-inch Blackstone portable tabletop griddle. It's available on rollback right now for only $97. We own this exact model and use it repeatedly. It fits easily in an RV storage bay, heats up quickly, and is perfect for family camping. Not every dad is into camping. Not every dad is into cooking outside. But most dads are into going outside and hanging out. There's definitely something for everyone on this list. Let us know down in the comments, which one did you like the best? And also, if you're a dad, which one do you hope someone is going to get you? You never know. They may read the comments and you may get it.